Welcome to our English class. Like and subscribe. Welcome, students. This is Teacher Grace. Let's get started.
Our lesson for today is Theme 6, Animals, Lesson 5, Theme Review.
Let's review. Are you ready? What's this? So, did you get all the names of the animals and letters that we studied in this theme? Great. So, it's time to take out your student's book. Okay, open your student's book on pages 64 and 65. Listening. Student's book, page 64. Listen and tick the box. Okay? You're going to listen carefully and then tick the correct box. Example here. Look at the picture. Okay, listen carefully.
Theme 6, Animals. Listening. Listen and tick the box. Look at the pictures. Listen. There is one example.
What animal do you like? I like birds.
Can you see the tick? This is an example. Now listen and tick the box. 1,
What animal do you like? I like goats.
2,
What animal do you like? I like monkeys.
3,
What animal do you like? I like cats.
All right, we're done with listening part. Let's go to reading and writing. Okay, in reading and writing, you are going to look and read. Put a tick or a cross in the box. Okay. Example. This is a cat. Look at the picture. Is it a cat? No. That's why it's a cross because this is a dog, right? What about number 1? Are you ready? Okay, ready your pencils. This is a goat. Tick or cross. Number 2. This is a fish. Tick or cross. Number 3. This is a cow. Tick or cross. Okay, let's move on to singing a song. Are you ready? All right, let's sing.
Animals, 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 animals. I like animals. Cat, dog, fish, bird. Cat, dog, fish, bird.
What do you like?
I like dogs.
What do you like?
I like dogs. Animals, 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 animals. I like animals.
Yay! Okay, what animals do you like? Do you like dogs, cats, birds, fish? Up to you. Okay, let's move on to our game time. On page 65 of your student's book, you're going to play the board game. Remember, we played already during the first term, so it would be easier for you to play this game this time, okay? You're going to follow this one. Pairs take turns, pair 1 and pair 2. Winner move 2 spaces and then loser move 1 space. Use the useful language from the theme to ask and answer correctly. Wrong answer, move back 1 space. To win the game, get to the finish to win. You will start here and then you will finish here. So you start here on the first picture. Use the useful language like this. What animal do you like? I like dogs. Then you are correct. So move 2 spaces. 1, 2. And then you ask the other one, the other pair will ask you, what animal do you like? And then when you answer, for example, I like dogs. These are not dogs, right? So you're going to move backward 1 space. Okay? So do it until you get to the finish line. It's fun, right? Okay. I can. On page 65, there are 3 stars on the right, so you're going to color only 1 star at a time. For example, I can name different animals. If you can name all the different animals, then you can color only this one, the 3rd star. But if you can just remember a little bit, then only the 1st star. But if you can remember half of them, then the middle. Okay? So just choose 1 star at a time. I can talk about animals I like. Okay, answer it. I can say the sounds of the letters P, Q, R, S. Answer it. I can say yes, please, or no, thank you. Where are you there? 1st star, 2nd star, or the 3rd star? So be honest with your answer, okay? Thanks. It's workbook time. Open your workbook on pages 60 to 61. Letter A, write the beginning sounds. Example, number 1 is snake. Okay, the beginning sound of snake is S. That's right. How about number 2, robot? What's the beginning sound? Write it. Number 3, quiet. Number 4, pen. Okay, write the correct beginning sounds. Letter B. What's next? Look and write. Look at the pattern to get what's next. Okay? Number 1. Duck, goat, goat, duck, goat. What's next? 1 duck, 2 goats, 1 duck, and 2 goats. So the answer is goat. That's right. How about number 2? Elephant, cow, elephant, cow, elephant. What's this? Okay, write your answer here. Number 3, duck, duck, goat, goat, duck. What's next? Write your answer. Letter C, look and read. Write yes or no. Okay, number 1, what animal do you like? I like cats. Are these cats? Yes, so you write yes. How about number 2? Look at the pictures. What animal do you like? I like goats. Is it a yes or no? Number 3. What animal do you like? I like bears. Is it a yes or no? Write your answer. Letter D. Look and read. Put a tick or a cross in the box. Example. Look at the picture, okay? This is a dog. It's a dog, right? So it's a tick. How about number 2? This is a duck. Tick or cross. Number 3. This is a goat. Tick or cross. Number 4. This is an elephant. Tick or cross. Be careful with your answers. And we're done with our theme review for today. I hope you enjoy it, and always remember, enjoy learning because English is fun. See you next time. Goodbye.